how to make $100 over and over without using Clickbank and the other networks. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up video guys, this is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can make more than $100 a day without using Clickbank. Yes, you heard it right. This is gonna be a separate video, which is like doesn't have anything to do with Clickbank and the other networks such as Warrior Plus, JVZoo. It's a very easy method that you can implement as soon as possible. It's super easy. This video is not going to be so long because it's very simple and it's really easy to get the results as soon as possible. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that right now. It's going to help you more than you think, because I've noticed that more than 95% of the viewers haven't subscribed to my channel yet, which is not really good for me. So I much appreciate it if you do that right now. It's going to help me a lot. And tap the like button if you like this video at the end of it. So let's get into it right now, guys. It's super simple. I'm gonna start with three websites, or I would say three softwares that you can go for. There are tons of them out there. These are the best ones, and these are the like the highest converting softwares that you can use for your affiliate marketing business. So I'm going to introduce them to you right now. The first one is called Getresponse.com. So Getresponse.com, I'm pretty sure that most of you are aware of this software. You know what it is. It's a email. It's an email marketing software. It's an email autoresponder that a lot of people, a lot of marketers are currently using. This software is one of the best ones out there in the market. So I'm personally using MailerLite. I'm going to show you right now if you want to see. So MailerLite is a really cool autoresponder that you can, if you want to get access to MailerLite, I have a link below this description that you get 20% off. But you can start this, we can start with this email autoresponder for 100% free of charge up to 1,000 subscribers. So it's a really good advantage if you want to like sign up for an email autoresponder to get started your business. But if you want to start promoting this software, it's not going to be that profitable for you, because people can start with the free plan, and God knows that how long it's going to take them to upgrade it to the premium version after they hit 1,000 subscribers, and most of them actually don't. I mean, it's so rare. So but the thing is that for Getresponse, they need to spend a monthly fee on that. I think it's probably, if you go to pricing, you see that how it works. So it's probably, yes, it starts with the monthly one $49 a month. The basic one is $15 a month for 1,000 subscribers. So this is pretty good. It's better than a free version. So they get a 30-day free trial anyways, but after that they need to pay for that in order to keep their accounts. But MailerLite, they can stay on the free account as long as they want until they hit 1,000 subscribers, and after that they can upgrade it. So that's why I'm saying this is really recommended if you want to promote this software, which is really cool. But the second thing I'm going to show you is called Clickfunnels.com. So Clickfunnels gives you a really high percentage of the commission. I know that over 80% of the marketers on the internet have been promoting this software for so long, and they are making a really good money. But you need to bring a lot of traffic. But even 1% to 2 people, if they buy from you, I mean, it's going to be a lot of money. It's probably $40 a month only for you. So the software costs $97 a month. You probably know that, and you get 60% of that. If I'm not wrong, it's almost $47 a month that you get. And it's gonna be really good. If you have only 2 people on your account, you're making $100 a month passive income, and it's already done, because as long as they are on these accounts, as long as they are building funnels, they need this software, and you're getting paid every single month. So this is the second most higher converting sales funnel that you can use for your promotions, which I highly recommend. It's pretty cool. But the third thing that I personally love, and it's amazing, is called frythemes.com. So I've been using it for over 2 years. I'm pretty happy with them. The prices are super affordable. And the thing is that even if you want to be their affiliate, you can literally get so much money per month from one client. So I would say that if you want to buy that, it's going to be $20 a month. It's not going to be the same as Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is $97 a month. This one is $20 a month for the individual. For agencies are, and this is a little bit more expensive, but the thing is that you need more people on Thrive Themes in order to make $100 a month. So $100 a month is a minimum, guys. I know people who have 1,000 people under the account, so we can multiply 1,000 by like $47. So imagine that how much money it would be. It's so much, guys, but this is easier to sell because it's cheaper and it's really efficient for a marketer. As I said, I've been using this for over 2 years. I haven't changed it to Clickfunnels. I'm pretty happy with it. As you can see, they have pretty much everything that you need in your marketing business, such as Thrive Theme Builder, Thrive Architect. So I'm using this one for my website, Thrive Architect, which is a funnel builder. It's a landing page builder, Thrive Quiz Builder, Thrive Suite, Thrive Leads for collecting leads, Thrive Comments. They have pretty much all the things, and Thrive Apprentice for selling your digital courses on. I'm using all of them, and it's really cool because it's really it has a really high quality funnel builder that you can literally use for pretty much everything, and they are compatible with most softwares out there, or I would say with most themes out there, WordPress themes. It's pretty cool. I personally like it. But let's say that we already apply for one of these softwares here, whether it's going to be Getresponse, Thrive Themes, or Clickfunnels, and you're an affiliate with them. So if you want to promote this product, this is where the game starts. So I just wanted to introduce the top 3 softwares that you can start promoting as soon as today. So now you can implement all these strategies by using this website right here, which is called sites.google.com. Yes, you don't need to have your own website if you want, guys. If you want, I mean, that's even better. It's way better to have your own domain rather than using sites.google.com. But the good thing is that they're gonna rank higher on the first page of Google, but it's not guaranteed because there are tons of people who are using this one, probably promoting the other stuff, you know, promoting the same stuff that you want to start doing right now. So it's kind of not really easy to get ranked, but you know, it's free, 100% free after all. You don't have to spend a dime on that. But if you want to actually have your own domain, you want to have a clean website, I highly recommend whether using Bluehost, which you can find the link in the bio, you can find the link in the description, sorry, and then you can get 20% off or up to 40% off if you use my link through this website, which is for Bluehost. I'm using this website for one of my websites, and also I'm using SiteGround as well. So I'm using these 2 web hosts for my websites. One of them is for, you know, health and fitness, and the other one is DigiVio. As you know, I'm using these 2. I have a link for both of them in my description. You can find it and you can get a discount if you like purchase it through my link, because this is not going to be a regular discount that you can just do by searching SiteGround or Bluehost. It's customized by me and you will be able to get the discount. So this is how it works, guys. Let's say you already done it, and then you go to Google sites.google.com, and then you click on the blank page right here. So this is where we want to start. So for example, let's say that you want to promote Thrive Themes, which is pretty cool. And then the only thing you need to do is just go to the Thrive Themes, apply for your affiliate link. You can scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you can see the affiliate section right here. So after that, what you can do, you can jump over sites.google.com, and here you can say that free tutorial. So let's say free tutorial, and then we can make it a little bit smaller. So let me make this one a little bit, not that much. Free tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one right here. So I'm gonna put this one right here, and then I'm gonna add another text. So I'm gonna add another text, or what you can do free tutorial here, and then you can press enter and see that learn how to create high converting landing pages by using okay, so I've actually done it. So the thing is that I would put a free tutorial here, and then below that I said learn how to create high converting landing pages by using this underground method. So once you're done with it, it's just an example. This is a really good topic, and you can change the image right here. So for example, I can select the image from their stock images, and then I can go for search and say for affiliate marketing, for example, let's say affiliate marketing, and then I can search. I can use all these images with no problem. So if I scroll down, so I like this one. Let's go for this one. We can select it here. Done. Everything is done. We can change the image if you want. You can actually do something else. You can bold this text right here to make it more clear. And we have the free tutorial, learn how to create high converting landing pages by using this underground method. So once you get it done, guys, this is where the easy part comes in. So you can either start writing your reviews here about Thrive themes, how it works, how your customers can benefit from it, and this kind of stuff. You just got to talk about it, you know, just talk about the features, you know, what they have, what they don't have, pros and cons, and this kind of stuff, and you can put a video right here. If you don't want to do any of this stuff, guys, you can use my videos. Literally, you can use my videos, and the only thing you need to do is just go to my channel. I give you the copyright, there is no problem, and you can change the link to your own affiliate link. So the video is mine, your affiliate link is gonna be there instead of mine. And after that, you can just literally put it, done, and share it with your audience on Facebook. I'm gonna show you how to drive free traffic to that. So you can scroll down here. I have a bunch of Thrive themes reviews here. It starts from here, like Thrive Commons, Thrive Ultimatum, Thrive Ovation, Thrive Theme Builder, Thrive Apprentice, Thrive Themes, and Thrive Leads, and Thrive Architect, which is this one. Like this is for quiz builder, this is for the landing page builder. So how to create a landing page in 2020 step by step. I have a bunch of them here. If you couldn't find them, just go to playlist, and then you see my Thrive themes tutorials right here. You can download these videos, you can upload them, or you don't have to download them, you can just embed them on you know, sites.google.com, and you can use them, and then below this video you can put your own affiliate link. So I'm going to show you an example. I go to home section, I go to the videos, and then I scroll down. For example, I'm going to go for this video right here, how to create a landing page in 2020, which is for last year. You can, you know, change the date to 2021, and then you can copy this URL and then go back to sites.google.com, and then here you can click on YouTube and put it here, search, and done. And you can select this video right here, done. You already put my video here, guys. It's super easy, and you can make it bigger if you want. You can do whatever you want with this video right here. You can change the size. I have, you know, you have the permission to embed my videos on your like website, and you can use them to promote this software. And the only thing you need to do after that, you just need to put a text. So if I want to find a text box here, and then here we can say, so I said something, get this massive deal right now and save up to 20%. And then below that, I said instant access. You can make it bigger, guys. You can make it larger. I make it bold as well. So it's 11. I'm going to go for 18, or I can even go for, let's go for 24. And then after that, I can use this one for instant access. So let's put it in the middle, and this one as well. So instant access, I can put it for, you know, I can make it even larger. So for instead of 24, I can go for 30. So instant access, done. Everything is over. And then the only thing you need to do is just you hyperlink this text here and put your affiliate link on that. So you go back to Thrive themes and you put your affiliate link. So for example, let's say I have my affiliate link, I just copy the URL, and then I go back to sites.google.com, and then I hyperlink this text right here, done, apply. So this is how it works. Get this massive deal right now and save up to 20% instant access. So this is how it works, and you are good to go. And the best thing to do, guys, after you put the video, it's better to write some text below this video as well, to give more information, to persuade your customers even better, and they will be more likely to buy this software from you, because it's going to be really helpful to have all the resources on the same page, whether including the text and the video that you're using. And then below this video, you just need to put in your link, just whatever you want to say, get the massive deal right now and save up to 20% instant access, and then you are good to go. That's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. And if you want to add more text right here, feel free to do that. But if you don't know how to do the blog article things, if you don't know how to write a blog article, I have a separate course for that, which you can find exactly in the description. It's going to be the first link in the description that teaches you how to start affiliate marketing from scratch, including writing articles. Everything is mentioned inside my course, everything that you need to know in order to start your affiliate marketing website. So don't miss it out, guys. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to be a really good asset for yourself and for your website to rank higher on the first page of Google and get the commissions over the course of time by using proper software. So this is how it works. And after that, you click on publish and you share it with your friends. So you click on publish, and the web address is how to create a landing page, and then you click on publish. Done. It's publishing, it's live, and then you can just copy publish site link and you share it with your friends. That's pretty much it. But the way you do that is this. If you want to get it started, the only thing you need to do, guys, is just go on facebook.com, go to Facebook. So go to Facebook, go to groups, and here on the left side, search for affiliate marketing groups. So search for affiliate marketing, guys, and you see that a bunch of groups are gonna pop up right in front of you. Just click on them. You see that most of them have over 100,000 subscribers or members that you can literally just post your thing and then that's done. So I'm going to give you a text as well if you want to do it on the Facebook groups. So for example, I'm going to go for this one. I'm going to click on it, and then here I can actually post my I can publish a post right here, easy. So the text that I have for you is right here. We can say, hey guys, I know building a high converting landing page is a must for a profitable online business. Today, I'm here to help you out with that. I recently found this video here to show you how to create a landing page with the most affordable page builder, which you're going to find exactly on this page. Feel free to check it out and let me know what you think about it. Because I'm planning to start using it as soon as possible for my business. Pretty simple, pretty short, not salesy, not pushy, and they're not gonna, think that you're promoting something. So you just copy the paste, you just copy the text here, and then you go back to Facebook and you paste it here. Done. Once you're done, you have the link for your website. You just copy this link and then you go back here, you paste it here. Done. Everything is done. And after that, you click on post. Boom. Done. You just need to do it for a couple of groups per day, and then you start seeing the results. This is super easy, guys. No Clickbank, no JVZoo, no WirePlus, no whatsoever. So I just showed you the best softwares that you can go for and start promoting in order to generate commissions for free traffic, no paid ads. So what can be easier than that? So we can start with this one, and after that, when you see the commissions flowing into your account, then you can start using paid ads to actually increase your profits. But as a starter, this is the best opportunity for you to go for. Don't miss it out, guys. Do what I said right now. Feel free to copy my videos. There's no problem with that. And then if you don't want to make your own videos, and then add some text below this video to actually make it more enticing and more attractive for your visitors, and the chance is going to be way higher than that they buy through your link. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like it, don't forget to tap the like button. It's going to help me more than you think. And if you want to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business, as I mentioned earlier, you can find a link below in the description. It's going to be the first link that teaches you everything that you need to know in order to have a profitable affiliate marketing website. And the links to Bluehost and SiteGround, if you want to create your own website with your own domain, again, you can find them in the description with a huge discount for a very limited time. I don't know how long I'm going to keep them, but you can go for them whenever you want. I mean, as soon as you want to create a website to get it more seriously. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you later.